Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken and rice in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I'm going to use brown rice for this, but I guess you could use whatever kind you want. And I usually use equal parts water to rice in the slow cooker. So I've already put 1 cup of water in the pot. I'm going to put that 1 cup of rice in there. And this is an organic chicken half. I actually cut it in half myself. It's cheaper to buy the whole chicken and cut it up. So I think what I'm going to do is run some warm water over that, rinse it with warm water, and see if I can pull the skin off of there so I won't have as much fat in my rice. I got the skin off of my chicken, and I also cut up this whole onion, so I'm going to dump that in there. And I'm going to season this with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of this Andes rub. I've used this before. This has garlic, onion, I think some orange peel, lemon peel, a few things in it. I'll also do the chicken with it here. And just a little bit of kosher salt as well. And we'll get my chicken half in there. And I'll season the top side of the chicken, a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of that Andes rub. And you know, that rub doesn't have a whole lot of color to it. So I'm going to use just a little bit of this Kinder's Mild Barbecue rub as well. Mainly just because the paprika in there will give that a little bit more color. Alright, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high for 2.5 hours. Alright, this cooked for 2.5 hours on high, and it's been sitting in the pot on warm for half hour or so. See how it looks here. Well, the wing pulls off, so that's pretty tender there. Let's see how the rest of the meat looks. It looks like I can just kind of pull it right apart. Leg pulls off, bone pulls right out. You know what I think I'm going to do is just pull the meat off the bone and shred the chicken up and mix it all together. I think I'll pull the chicken out of there to shred it up. Be a little easier. It's pretty hot too. Be a little cooler if I do that on a plate. See how the rice looks underneath there too while I have the chicken out. You can kind of mix it all together there. Mix the onions in with the rice. Yeah, that looks good. Now I'm just going to shred that chicken up and get it back in there. That worked good. Let me grab a plate and we'll try some of that out. Alright, let's give this a taste test here. Looks like everything cooked about right. I like that. Good flavor from that seasoning, a little sweetness from the onion. Kind of reminds me of stuffing a little bit. Got the afternoon sun here. I don't know if you can see Annie very good or not. We'll let her try it out. There you go, Annie. Taking the skin off worked out good, but that's up to you. You could leave it on if you wanted to. In fact, you could cook the whole chicken even. Cooking time might be a little bit longer though. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.